Hi, I'm Thomas Dawson with Dumpster Intervention Patrol, and this is my son, Big Blue. His name as well, Thomas Dawson with Dumpster Intervention Patrol. And we wanted to reach out today and educate a little bit about our solar panel cleaning. We have the honor to add value to people by helping them with the efficiency of their energy. Crazy enough, it gets dusty here. We don't get a lot of rain, but you'd be surprised how filthy these solar panels can get with a lot of dust and debris, pollution. It really does stick to these units, these solar panels, as well as the bird droppings, let's be frank, and it's pretty nasty sometimes, and it takes us a while to scrub those things. What I wanted to share with you really quickly is what our process is, and then we're going to give a little bit more on statistical information that we've been provided by some solar panel installation companies. And ideally, when we get onto your roofs, single or double story is, we'll get up there and analyze and assess your panels, making sure they are in operation, they're not broken or damaged. And trust me, we have found broken and damaged panels, right, Thomas?
Several times.
So we're able to help you as a consumer to make sure your products are working correctly and that aren't damaged. The other one is our cleaning process, all right? We get up there and not only do we scrub, we try to minimize our water. So we're not gonna get up there every time with hoses. All we need is one bucket of water or two, some of our special solution that we formulated together to work, and we'll get up there and scrub those away. And the beauty is when we're done, we leave a nice repellent over them. So then after we're gone, it's not just days they're cloudy of dust, it's weeks, even months. And when it rains, that water washes right off. Any soiling of a bird or anything washes it right off. When, of course, it does rain, right, Thomas?
Yeah.
Ideally, with all this said, I was going to ask Thomas, when we go in there and clean these solar panels, what is, that we've been taught, what is roughly the percentage of efficiency that we can regain from cleaning?
So when you get them cleaned, you can gain 20 to 30% more energy than not being cleaned.
That's right. And we've had the honor to talk with, again, solar companies like Veteran Solar AZ. We've had the blessing to work with them and talk with them and be educated more on the products that we are cleaning. And so with this said, I'm Thomas Dawson. This is Thomas Dawson with Dumpster Intervention Patrol. And feel free to text or call us to the number below. You can reach us on dumpsterip.com, or you can also go to our YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram. We're out there on all the social medias. Hope to hear from you soon, and I hope this message helps. Have a great day.